Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best window tint that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the LEXEN 2-ply Premium Carbon 20 inches. LEXEN's 2-ply carbon automotive window film comes in standard black in a 20-inch by 100-foot roll. It's scratch resistant, blocks 99% of UV rays and does not interfere with radio signals. The carbon pigments provide superior heat rejection and color stability. The tint is available in the following shades: 5% Limo, 15% Dark, 35% Medium, and 50% Light. The roll of film is easy to cut, heat shrink, and manipulate to fit any area of auto glass you choose. It produces a super clean look and there is no hazing of any kind. Also, the tint is high quality and provides a nice dark shade to keep the sun out. If you're new to the tinting process, this product might be a bit hard to work with when first applying it. You may need professional assistance to apply it correctly. It also creases very easily and it will peel or start to bubble if you don't thoroughly clean the glass before applying it. Second on the list is the Pro Tint Windows 5% Shade Color 24 inches. This window tint provides good heat reduction and has a 99% anti-UV rate. You can choose a shade between 5% and 50%. In addition to tinting car windows, it can be used for other types of glass surfaces. This product is good quality, maintains its dark color, and is resistant to fading after years of use. It adheres very strongly to glass surfaces, blocks out the heat, and keeps the sun out of your eyes. If you are experienced at this type of task, it is fairly easy to install as long as you keep the tint and the window very wet during the process. One downside is the roll of tint may wrinkle or crease during the shipping process, making it challenging to apply smoothly on your windows. Beginners may also have a tough time installing it, and it can be particularly difficult to shrink it to fit on a curved window. Third up is the LEXEN Computer PreCut Complete Tint Kit. This scratch-resistant tint blocks 99% of UV rays and is non-reflective. It includes the following tint shades: 50%, 35%, 20%, 15%, and 5%. The carbon pigments provide superior heat rejection and color stability. LEXEN supplies thousands of tint patterns for 1990 to 2018 vehicles. The manufacturer recommends using a professional tint squeegee application toolkit, which can be purchased separately. The PreCut tint makes it easier to install than roll tints. The kit is cut to fit your model vehicle and is much less expensive than a professional installer. The tint is a nice color and is durable. Once applied, it provides crystal clear visibility without blurring. Also, it's easy to take the tint off in case you don't like it or you want to redo it. Some problems we noticed are the tint is very thin, creases easily, and may fade over time. You also may need to trim the pre-cut pieces to make them fit more accurately. Finally, you will need a heat gun to shrink the tint to fit curved windows. Shrinking the tint may be challenging, and if done incorrectly, will result in a finger effect on the glass. Next up is the MotoShield Pro Ceramic Tint Film. This ceramic film reduces glare by 70% and provides 99% UV protection. It's made of non-conductive and non-metallic nanoceramic particles. It is environmentally friendly and can reduce the interior cabin temperature by as much as 25 degrees Fahrenheit. The film does not interfere with connections from your electronic devices. It rolls out easily, but doesn't crease easily. It provides a professional look but doesn't scratch too easily and blocks out a lot of heat compared to some rival products. However, the product can be hard to install if you're a beginner. Also, the tint may get creased in the tube during shipping. It can also be tricky to install on curved windows. Last but not least is the Gila Black 24 inches by 6 feet window tint. This black window tint blocks 97.5% of light. It's made of a durable material and is easy to install with the Gila Complete Installation Kit. The tint provides maximum privacy and is deep dyed so it lasts a long time. This tint is good quality and is easy to apply. It reduces the heat inside your vehicle yet still lets in light. It keeps fabric from fading due to the sunlight, and the air conditioning does not have to work as hard to keep your vehicle cool. However, the tint is super dark and it can be hard to apply if you don't purchase the corresponding installation kit. If you don't thoroughly follow the instructions, you may get bubbles. The film is also a little flimsy and very sticky. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.